So this part is called what
It's
again?
very sticky. This is the sparge.
Okay, now you said you explained snafu. You said something happened and that's why you're doing this.
Yeah, snafu is that with all grain sparging and batch sparging, which is what we're doing right now.
Right.
You get a stuck sparge.
Okay.
So I have a stuck sparge.
In here, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's clogged.
So there's a sparge here clogged, and so the way you corrective action is to do what?
Just let it rest right now. I got enough beer out of
So
it.
is gravity draining right now?
Yeah.
Okay, excellent.
It'll just take a longer time. But I got most of my work ready to go.
Do you have the bag, like the components that go in here? Do you have like a bag to kind of show me what?
No bag.
Well, I mean, like what the raw materials? Like where did you get it, and what are they, etc. I mean, without giving away any proprietary secrets.
There's no proprietary secrets. This is a regular sparge setup.
Oh, okay.
So it's just this is called a mash tun. You put in all your grains in here.
Okay.
Put in hot water. Mm-hmm. You let the heat of the water draw the sugars out of the grain.
Okay.
It's like a soup.
Okay.
So then after about an hour of waiting for all the sugars to get out of the grain, then you sparge, which is a fancy way of saying you get the liquid out of the grain.
Nice.
So just do it by gravity. I do a process called batch sparging.
Batch sparge. Okay.
So this is the end of the batch, slowly draining out.
Right.
Let's go get some propane.
Let's do it. What's the setup here?
This is just a regular burner.
Okay.
With a 8.5 gallon kettle on top.
Right. Okay.
So once we get back, we'll start to boil.
Okay.
We'll boil this about 8 gallons down to about 6.
Okay. So propane connects to here.
Yep.
All right, let's do it.